Objections. You get them all the time. Oh, all right, let me talk to my husband. I'll get back to you. Or, all right, let me just check my schedule. Or, I'm calling around, whatever, blah, yeah, all that stuff. So in order to try to stay away from those objections and still get them on the schedule, a great one answer for all of objections is just simply this. Okay, well, how about I put you on the schedule to hold your spot? I've got an availability tomorrow between 10 and 12. I'll put you down, you'll have a spot available, and if you do change your mind, you can always just give us a call back. Very easy, very simple, and a lot of times people will say, well, yeah, okay, that's a good idea, because you want to sound like you're busy, and even if you could be. But the best thing to do is to make sure that you still get them on the schedule. Chances are they're not checking their schedule. They're not calling their husband. They might be, but they're probably not. They're probably calling around for prices. And usually I've found that if they get an appointment, they're not going to keep calling around. They're probably just going to keep the appointment. So it's a great way to overstep that objection and still get them on the schedule and get the job.